I'm not just a carb. I'm potassium, fiber, resistant starch, actual fuel. You fry me and blame me for it? Respect the root. Don't blame me, Heckad. Blame the oil bath. I was a vegetable 5 minutes ago. Moderation isn't my department. I don't ruin meals, hey? I reveal them. A pinch too much? That's on your wrist. Flavor has consequences. Low glycemic, crunchy, beta-carotene packed. Meanwhile, you're mashed and buttered. Stay rooted, Spud. Oh, please, I just enhance flavor. You pile me on and act surprised? I melt under pressure, hey, literally.
Hey everyone, want to make those addictive talking object videos blowing up on YouTube shorts and reels like a banana teaching health tips or your phone roasting bad habits? Today I will show you exact PC and mobile workflow using free tools, no camera, no skills needed. Let's go viral. Talking object videos features everyday items like fruits, gadgets or veggies with realistic mouth movements, funny voices and engaging script. They are crushing views because they are fresh, shareable and low competition. Perfect for faceless channels. I have seen 1 million views shorts from this niche. Open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Now click on apps, click on GPT and type talking object and hit enter. Wait for a moment, select the first option and click on start chat. Now we are just going to make a video on potato, so I'm just going to type potato and hit enter. This will create a full prompt and script for your video. As you can see, it has started creating. So the first video is about potato essential kitchen counter and the second topic is French fry defensive food tray. Now our script is ready. Just we are going to copy this text to image prompt. Now we will go to Gemini, click on tools, click on create images, paste your prompt here. Now hit enter. Wait for the image to generate. Our potato has been generated. Now create another tab and type Flow. Click on this Flow link and click on this link. You will get this website. Sign in with your Google account and click on new project. Now click on here and choose the option frame to video. We will again go to Google Gemini and we will download this image. Click on here to download this image. Save the image on the folder. Now again go to Flow and drag the image here which you have downloaded. Select the aspect ratio to portrait. Now click on crop and save and again go to ChatGPT and copy this 10-second script and again go to Flow and paste this script here and hit generate. Now let's see our video. Click on full screen option to full screen it. Now hit play.
I'm not just a carb. I'm potassium, fiber, resistant starch, actual fuel. You fry me and blame me for it? Respect the root.
Isn't this look great? Now you can download this video from the download button here. Click on download and we will now download the 720p original size. You can also upscale it, but you have to take the pro plan for it. So 720p will be fine for us. If you want to upscale this video to 4K, watch my COMFYUI tutorial to upgrade this video to 4K using the free tool called COMFYUI on your local system. Now click on here and click save on your computer. It will download the video and this video is ready to upload. And if you want to generate other videos, it has also created other script for it. So you can generate all this video and use DaVinci or CapCut or Premiere Pro to stitch it and upload it on your YouTube channel or on your Instagram channel or on TikTok. And you can be viral as the other channels are getting viral. Drop the link of the object video which you have uploaded on your channels. Subscribe for weekly AI hacks. Hit the bell icon. Create your first video now and tag me. See you in the next viral wave.